everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in a hop around the house for spring. I am going to do some things in my kitchen, but before I start, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. So guys, this hop around the house is being hosted by Nicole North Garden. I will have her link in my description box down below. And after you view my video, also click the link to the next person that is participating in this hop, and then continue on until you circle back around. You will gain so much inspiration, so many tips and decorating tips that you can use in your home. Now guys, let me tell you, the reason why I chose my kitchen, at the beginning of this week, we had a pipe to burst up under our sink, our kitchen sink. And we were doing a little project on the opposite side of the kitchen. So this kitchen is a hot mess, all right? So I got to get in here and get it cleaned up and bring some order as well. I was decorating too on top of it. So I have Easter decor sitting around too. So let's get this done. I hope you enjoy, be inspired, and be blessed. So let me take you around so you can see this hot mess of mine. OMG. It is a hot mess. But you know what? We're gonna get it done. Okay, these are the items that were under my kitchen sink. We have to do a little repair up under there because the water did some damage. So I'm gonna place these items in my laundry room for now. It really isn't that much, but I don't want them sitting up here forever. Hubby is supposed to tackle this weekend, but we'll see. But for now, I gotta get this off of my counter because it's driving me nuts, all right? The best thing about this is I have them in containers. I don't have to pick up individual bottles of cleaner. So that's the good thing. So I have them in containers here. So let me store these away. Also, I have this dispenser here, as well as my KitchenAid, which is red, because I love red. But I'm gonna place those two items in my pantry. And when it's red season again, they'll be coming back out. So right now I'm gonna get this counter wiped off and set this dish set up that I picked up from Lowe's on clearance. It has your hand soap, your lotion, and your dish soap. Never tried this before, but it's in the colors that I'm using in this space, which is this beautiful green. I call it lime green. So I'm gonna get it set up. First of all, I'm gonna wipe this space down because I do my kitchen in sections. I'm gonna wipe this space down and set this up. Now, when I'm cleaning my kitchen, I do have hot water with dish soap and a couple of splashes of bleach in my water, all right? That cleans my countertops and anything that I need to clean in this kitchen. And by seeing this empty, OMG, it just does something for me and makes me excited to get the rest of this done. People always ask me about this paper towel holder. And guys, I found this paper towel holder thrifting for just $3. All right, so this is something I will always keep. That will most likely never change in my kitchen. Now with the seasons, I love to change out my dishcloths. And I just go to Dollar Tree and pick up the color that I want. And you get 2 in a pack, so you can't beat it. And I roll them up and place them in my drawer here, right here beside the kitchen sink. And like I said, my KitchenAid, I'm gonna move that to my pantry. And bring it out when needed. Of course, Easter is coming up. There'll be some baking going on, and I'll just bring it out then. Might regret it because this baby is heavy. Can you tell we're Disney fans? Yeah, Disney World. That's here. Can you tell what we had last night for dinner? Tacos. This counter pretty much stays good. Just gonna give it a quick wipe down. Now this is the hot mess, y'all. This is the hot mess. So I'm gonna get this island squared away. It shouldn't take me that long. move these back here for now. All my Easter bunnies and decor so I can decide what I'm gonna do. My cookbook and easel I'm gonna place by my stove or my range. So off camera, I cleaned up there, just using some all-purpose cleaner, and wiped down the tops of my cabinets. And I placed those beautiful plates, those green and white Harlequin plates. I picked those up 90% off last year as well. And I went around the tops of my cabinets with those bunny dessert plates or salad plates and those Harlequin plates. And these items here, possibly not that. I'll probably keep that out. But these bunnies here and these bunnies here, I probably will pack up. They're a no-go for this season. But I will not be getting rid of them. They just won't be coming out this year. As you can hear, my dishwasher is running. So we're close to the finish line. Right now I'm gonna get my floors. I'm gonna sweep my floors and mop, and we're gonna be able to call it a day. So we have ceramic tile throughout the bottom space of our home. Entire bottom floor is ceramic tile. And to keep it shiny and clean, what do I use? Some good old hot water and some vinegar. All right, that's it. But I'm the weird one. I love that vinegar smell. And it doesn't last long in your home anyways, all right? All right, let me share with you what we've accomplished today. I'm so happy now that my kitchen is finally clean. Just give you a quick overview. I added a few pieces of Easter. And this is the project that we were working on, hubby and I, to update our coffee beverage bar. We added a wine chiller into the cabinets, and we added storage as well. And I am loving it. I'm so glad this project is complete. I wish I could say my home is always picture perfect, magazine worthy, but you got to think, I have 5.5 people in my home. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work. But you know what? I'd rather for my home to be lived in and enjoy family versus, you know, magazine worthy, right? You can have a clean home and a beautiful home, but it's just something about being your home feeling cozy, lived in, and family, the love of family in it. All right. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.